Welcome back to Tech Solutions, your go-to channel for practical Linux and Windows tutorials. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through the installation of Ubuntu 25.04 with manual Linux partitions, step-by-step, made simple. On your screen, you should now be seeing the Ubuntu 25.04 installer boot screen. To reach this stage, you'll first need to download the official Ubuntu 25.04 ISO image from the Ubuntu website. Make it bootable using a USB tool like Rufus or Balena Etcher, and then boot your system from that USB drive. I'll include the official download link in the video description for your convenience. Let's begin the installation. Hit Enter to continue booting into the Ubuntu Live Mode. The initial boot process might take a little while, so be patient. Once you're in the live environment, you'll be greeted by the new and refined Ubuntu installer interface. Start by selecting your preferred language, region, and keyboard layout. When prompted for network options, I recommend choosing Do Not Connect to the Internet for now. This helps speed up the installation. You can always update your system later once Ubuntu is installed. Next, follow the on-screen instructions as I demonstrate in the video. When you reach the installation type, choose Manual Partitioning. In my case, I'm working with a 256GB disk on an MBR system, so I'll create two partitions accordingly, one for the root system and another for swap. If your disk size is larger, feel free to adjust the partition sizes proportionally to match your storage capacity. Once your partitions are created, click Next. Now, give your Ubuntu installation a name, create your user credentials, and then click Install to begin the process. The installation may take several minutes, so be patient. While Ubuntu is installing, let's take a quick moment to talk about Ubuntu 25.04 itself. This latest release continues Ubuntu's tradition of being one of the most user-friendly and stable Linux distributions. It brings a cleaner interface, improved GNOME desktop performance, better hardware compatibility, and updated software packages. Whether you're a developer, student, or casual Linux user, Ubuntu 25.04 provides a perfect balance of simplicity, security, and power, all backed by the open-source community. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a message confirming that Ubuntu 25.04 has been successfully installed and is ready to use. Click Reboot now and don't forget to remove your USB drive when prompted. Congratulations! You've just completed the installation of Ubuntu 25.04 on your system. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share to support the channel. Stay tuned for more Linux guides and tech tutorials right here on Tech Solutions.